Hey, my name is Dan. I used to work at the biggest dealership in the country. Now I teach fine folks like you how not to get fucked when buying a car. Now in this video, we're gonna review Echopark dealership website. You guys have been asking me about it. This is a second video about it. So first, what the hell is Echopark? Echopark is a dealership. It's not like Facebook, it's not like Craigslist, it's not a marketplace. It's not like Auto Trader where there's a lot of different dealerships from all sorts of places. It's not like Car Gurus, again, lots of different dealerships from all sorts of places selling cars on the marketplace website. That's what those websites are. There's a lot of competition going on. Here, if you call them, you're calling one dealership. You know, they have a few different locations, but essentially it's one company. Makes sense? So just keep in mind that this is not a website that I would ever use. This is not a dealership that I would ever use. And here's why. Not just because of their dealership fees, not just because you have to come in to buy a car. Watch the whole process that you would have to go through in the previous video. In this video, I want to just talk to you about the website. They're claiming they're so different, and let's see how different they actually are. What services do they provide that would entice me as a customer to go spend money with them? And keep in mind, these guys, they sell a lot of fucking cars. Keep in mind, they make a lot of fucking money. They make just a lot of money. This is not some mom-pop dealership. They are fucking big. Let's watch this. The video is called What's the Catch? Let's see what the catch is.
Echopark sells 1 to 4 year old clean Carfax vehicles under KBB retail value.
Clean Carfax doesn't mean damage-free, just so you know. Clean Carfax does not mean damage-free. The car could have been in a damage, just not reported to the Carfax. Okay, and then I don't have an issue with what they're saying, but I know they're saying it in a way that you would think, you know, no accident. Clean Carfax, you think what? No accident, right? That's what you think. Why would they include this? Why would they include Clean Carfax? Right? So that's number one. Number two, which is I think is bigger fucking thing to talk about here. Under KBB, if anybody is buying a car at KBB fucking prices, you are a complete fucking idiot. And I'm trying to be nice here. This is me being nice. You should see me when I'm not nice. The KBB is owned by Auto Trader. Last time I checked, an Auto Trader is owned by Cox Auto fucking Motive. Listen, KBB is owned by these huge fucking companies that are setting all these prices. If you are buying cars at KBB, and if you're even considering looking at KBB for the value of the car that you want to buy or the car you want to sell, I mean, I don't want to call you an idiot again. Actually, I do.
So what's the catch? Well, it's not what we do. It's what we don't do that keeps quality high and costs so low. We've made deliberate trade-offs that eliminate costs other dealers carry. So what do you have to give up to get one of these great deals? No delivery. You have to pick up your vehicle because shipping is complex and expensive.
It's not fucking complex or expensive. You put a car on a car hauler. Vroom. You park it there. You leave the fucking car alone. Then the driver gets in a cab, drives the car hauler. I'm explaining this on a third grade level because apparently these people here that make millions of fucking dollars think that car delivery is expensive or complex. Then the truck driver drives the car to your city and then it comes down. Am I explaining this clear enough? Listen, I'm a nobody in the car world business so far. I only have a few thousand subscribers. I have a website where I offer some services. And even me, a guy that's making these videos out of my fucking apartment is offering people shipping. And I'm not even making money on the shipping. I offer people the phone numbers of the car brokers that I use myself. You guys, call them. There's 4 or 5 numbers that we have so far, the people that I actually trust, that I know that aren't gonna screw you, because when you Google car delivery, the chances of you getting screwed are like 90%, 99%. The first page of Google is just bullshit after bullshit after scam, and when I say scam, just overpriced shit. overpriced shit. Literally, I give people a choice not to pick up the car. They can have the car delivered. And I don't even make money from it. I literally offer it as a free fucking service.
No credit cards. With transaction fees of 3%, accepting cards gets costly on large purchases.
Yes, if you're, let's say you're buying a car for $20,000. Well, 3% of $20,000, that's $700 in fees. That's quite a bit. That's a lot. What they could do is just tell you, hey, how about this? If you want to use your credit card, not a problem. You got $30, $50, $40,000 on your credit card. You want to use your credit card? Not a problem. Not a problem at all. Let's use the credit card. We'll charge you 3% more, $700 more in your $20,000 car, and then you use your credit card. Here's the crazy part. For those people that are getting like 5% cash back, and if this purchase were to qualify for a 5% cash back, you could actually save money. If you spend 3%, but you're getting 5% cash back, well, guess what? You're actually saving 2%. Well, what's 2% of $20,000? That's $400. You can literally save $400 just by using your credit card. If you would qualify, it depends on your credit card, and, I don't know what your credit card is. It depends on the credit card, okay? You could literally save money. What are they telling you? We're not going to take credit cards. Jesus Christ.
Purchases like vehicles. No shipping vehicles between Echopark locations. With over 1,000 vehicles in stock at multiple locations, you should call ahead to make sure the vehicle you're interested in is at your local Echopark store.
So if there's a Echopark store, I'm so fucking mind blown right now. I'm literally, oh boy. If there's an Echopark location next to you, but they have another Echopark location that's, let's say, 1,000 miles from you, and you ask them, hey, the car that I want is in that location. Could you guys ship it? I'll pay for it. I'll pay for the shipping. Could you ship it to this location in my city so I don't have to fly over there, so I don't have to drive 1,000 miles? You know what they're telling you? Fuck you. No, we're not gonna do that. Are you serious? Are you fucking serious? There are people who buy cars from them. I spoke to a salesman. He said they sell somewhere between 400 and 500 cars at the location that he works at. And I called, if I'm not mistaken, a fucking Colorado location. I mean, God, how many people live in Colorado? That's not even their biggest location probably. That's in fucking Colorado. They have locations in fucking Houston, Texas.
No bank drafts or personal checks. It's extremely cost prohibitive for a volume dealer. We accept cash.
I got a question. I have another question. They say we don't do personal checks and bank drafts. Okay, I don't know a single fucking dealership that does personal fucking check. I mean, if let's say you're selling a car and somebody wants to buy a car from you, right? And they give you a personal check. Would you accept that? No, you have to be a complete fucking idiot to accept a personal check. I mean, who knows if there's actually money on it, right? And then bank drafts, okay, I'm not even gonna go into that. But here's something that they say. They say a volume dealer. What the fuck is a volume dealer? It literally could mean anything you want it to be. I can open up a car dealership, sell one car a year, and I can call myself a volume dealer. What the fuck is a volume dealer? 3 cars, 4 cars, 5 cars? Whenever a dealership is telling you they are a volume dealer or they're a wholesaler, you tell them to shut the fuck up because they're lying to you. Okay, this volume dealer could have any fucking meaning. What the fuck could somebody tell me what the fuck is a volume dealer? There is no a standard, there's no definition. Is 5 cars a volume dealer? Is 20 cars a month volume dealer? Is 3 cars a year a volume dealer? Volume dealers.
Cash, cashier's checks, debit cards, or financing through one of our banks. No negotiation.
They're not willing to ship a car to you. You have to come to the location to pick up a car. And they don't negotiate. Literally, this part right here, where they say, we don't negotiate. That's supposed to be a good thing. How is that a good thing? That's like saying, I got AIDS and that's a good thing.
Pricing vehicles below KBB retail value saves time and money.
Pricing vehicles below KBB is not fucking special. I don't know of any fucking dealership that sells it at KBB pricing. Not one. Not fucking one. Selling cars below KBB is like what everybody does. I mean, you have to be retarded to sell cars at KBB pricing. Nobody does that. Nobody uses KBB for pricing anymore. KBB was left in like 2007 before Google was invented, okay? Right after last dinosaur was killed off, that's when KBB died, the right next day, okay? Nobody's fucking using KBB anymore. You use market around you to sell a car, and you use markets nationwide to buy a car. That's what I fucking teach.
We don't locate cars for individuals. We only buy vehicles based on declining markets and depreciation.
Okay, so here they're saying, if you want a car but we don't have it, we're not gonna find it for you. Why not? Why not? I can go to McDonald's, buy a cheeseburger, and tell them I don't want pickles on it. And they're gonna give me a cheeseburger with no pickles on it. And you can't find me a car? Are you serious? This is how easy it is to find a car. You would take person's deposit. It takes about a week to find a car. You find them the car and you sell them a car. If you can't find them a car, you just refund them the deposit. That's it. It's that fucking simple. And here's something else. How many people are gonna be asking you to find a car? Not too many. How many people are asking for pickles to be taken off their cheeseburgers? Not too many. But McDonald's still does it. Why can't you do it? This is the dealerships of 2020. Fuck you far as the pricing. Fuck you far as the shipping. Fuck you as far as the service. Fuck you as the actual real price of the car. In the previous video, I talked about how they're making almost $1 million by my calculations just in dealer fees. $1 million a month just in dealer fees.
No service department. Why should you pay for our investment in expensive service facilities when most of our vehicles are still under the original factory warranty? Guys,
the reason they don't have service department is because they choose not to make money from it. For those of you that didn't work at the dealership, which is like 99% of you watching, okay? The service department inside the dealership exists to make money. The amount of money that's being made at service department is often more than from selling cars. Think about that.
So, if you are willing to forego these few things, you can buy a nearly new...
So let's talk about the things that you are willing to forego. First, they don't negotiate. Second, they have a fee that you have to pay. They have a documentation fee that is not negotiable. Number two. Number three, if they don't have a car you want, they're not gonna find it for you. Number four, if they have a car that you want but it's in a different location, they're not gonna ship it to a different location for you to pick it up, so to make your life easier. Next, they're gonna make you come to the dealership to buy the car. You're gonna have to fly in to pick up a car. So if you're willing to forego these 6 things, if you're willing to overlook all that crap and you're still willing to buy a car from them, you're a fucking loser. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you.
Clean Carfax vehicle under KBB retail value. Only at Echopark. Get the new car feel without the new car price.
It's not a new fucking car, it's a used car. It's a used car. Huge thank you for watching this video. Click here to subscribe, watch one of those 2 videos, and click the share button below the video. Did you enjoy the video? Did you find it useful? Do you think you're gonna save some money with it? Abso-fucking-lutely you will. Share this video on Facebook with somebody else. This is Dan Strong with 60 Minute Car. I'm signing out, and I'll see you in another video.